Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. How are you doing? Fine, I hope. And I am back with another video. Don't come for me. Come for your mother. Play with them. Don't play with me. Okay? So I'm going to first show you a small WIC haul. And then I am going to show you how I season my chicken breast. And then I bake it. And I'm going to make some garlic mashed potatoes from scratch. But y'all going to see the after effects because I don't want to make this video too long. So let's get into the WIC haul and what I picked up. So I have honey bunches of oats roasted, vanilla, and because these kids are just down. We have almond honey bunches of oats. I have a cherry juicy juice. I have an apple juicy juice. Some bananas, apples, grapes, pineapples, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge and I'm going to come back. I hate when my kids leave empty stuff in the fridge, but tell me if y'all hate it too. I also picked up these onion and peppers. Give me a minute so I can show you my chicken. Because we about to rinse it off, clean it, and season it. So this is a pack of chicken cutlets, and this is another pack of chicken cutlets. I'm going to cut and clean the chicken. And yes, my hands is clean, and the pan is clean, so let's get it together. Still rinse my pan. First, I'm going to cut them in two because my little kid is not going to eat a whole one. And clean them off. And as you see, I cleaned my meat. I will be seasoning it on both sides. And please clean your meat. because this piece is a little thicker, I'm just gonna cut it. And then I'm gonna cut it again. Like that. Let me season those first. And we have some adobo, sassoon, and I'm going to use these peppers. So let's season this up first. You always want to season your meat, and I season it on both sides. So don't let them fool you and say you don't have to season your meat. Keep that meat so good. Honey, and matter of fact, we have some nice chicken. Season that side, that side. Now that that's seasoned, we'll put some peppers on it because remember, still got a few things to cut up. Okay. Now we're going to rinse this tea. Cut her up. Yeah, see, I need to clean that. Oh, excuse me. Yes, turn your head. Don't let it. Oh, you get all that fat off that chicken, cause you don't want to give nobody none of that fat. Cut it off. You want to have your oven on 350 already, so that way your meat is crispy, especially if it's already uncooked. You don't want to be cooking all the way. It's for easier. And you put some aluminum foil over your pan. I'm going to put some aluminum foil. I'm moving backwards though. But preheat your oven to 350. It's gonna simmer with the onions and peppers. Put some aluminum foil over it and set it. I hate when my aluminum foil don't cooperate. But anyway, cover your pan, put it in the oven. And now I'm getting ready to peel some potatoes. So if you mash the potatoes, you have to clear the counter. You do. So if you want to see the finished product of this video, I will see you on IG. Later, y'all.